Are you tired of clicking around Salesforce trying to find the Logout button? Here's exactly where it is. You're not alone in this. It's one of those things that can feel surprisingly hidden in a platform you use every single day. But I promise you, once I show you this, you'll be able to get out in about 2 seconds flat. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the 2 simple clicks to log out. Let's dive in. So here's the thing about Salesforce. It's a powerful tool, and because it's so packed with features, sometimes the simplest actions get buried under layers of menus and options. And if you're like most people I've worked with, you've probably spent way too long hunting for that logout button, especially when you're in a hurry and just need to wrap up your day. All right, let's start by locating your profile icon. Now, this is the key to pretty much everything related to your personal account settings. You're going to look at the very top right corner of your Salesforce screen. See that little circle with either your initials, your photo, or just a generic silhouette? That's your profile avatar. Go ahead and click on it. And here's why I always start here instead of sending you on some wild goose chase through menus. This drop-down menu is your command center for your personal session. It's where you adjust your settings, view your account details, and yes, sign out. I've shown this to so many people over the years, and the most common reaction is a relieved, "Oh, it's been right here the whole time." So once you click that avatar, a menu will drop down. Now, pay attention to this one. From the drop-down, you'll see a few options. You've probably got something like Settings, maybe Developer Console, and then right at the very bottom, there it is, Logout. Just click on that. It really is that simple. But let me give you a quick tip here. If your Salesforce page is taking a while to load or feels sluggish, click that profile icon a little more deliberately. Give it a second to respond. Sometimes if you click too quickly or double-click, it can get confused. And also, don't worry if the menu looks slightly different from mine. Different Salesforce editions and custom setups might add a few extra options in there, but that Logout button will always be at the bottom of that drop-down list. That's a constant across every setup I've ever tested. Once you click Logout, you'll be taken back to the Salesforce login page. That's your confirmation that you're fully signed out. And that's it. You're done. From being stuck in Salesforce, unsure where to find that exit, to confidently logging out in just 2 clicks. So the next time you need to hop off, you won't waste a single second searching. Just top right corner, click your avatar, click Logout. It's that fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.